Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am continuing on with the unboxing of my unboxing of my Makeup Revolution super mega haul. As usual, pop your little link up here if you want to see what I've got all together on my original haul. And as I say, I'm now unboxing each of the individual items. So this one that I've got here, look at that, how beautiful, is the Revolution, and it is the 12 Days of Christmas. And so this was one of the gift sets from Christmas 2017. They're still available for sale on the Revolution website, and I think they're on the Superdrug website as well. RRP is £60, and they are currently half price at £30. And yes, it's another one I got for £4 due to a pricing glitch. So here we go. Gorgeous, gorgeous box. It's the same design as the Palette Vault, which I unboxed earlier on. And again, I'll pop you a link up there to the Palette Vault if you want to see that unboxing. So I'm loving these, so I will definitely be keeping this box, I think. It is sealed at the side, but I have got my scissors with me. It's a shame it's got this on. I'll try and get it off carefully after I've filmed, just so I don't damage the actual box. That's that side. I think I've already just stuck a big scissor mark in it. Oh, and just a little heads up for anybody that's watching. You want to check back on Sunday, because just a little heads up, got a little cheeky collab going on and it's going to be good. You don't want to miss it. So here we go into this. And ooh, so a really nice little box. It's on the, it's got the little thingies. Oh, I can't speak. It sort of stays open with the ribbons to stop it going back, and it says, what does it say? You can never have too much makeup. If ever there was a truer saying, that's it. So here we go. Everything's in individual boxes. So I'm going to pop this down and I'll take these all out one by one. As with all my unboxings just now, I'm just going to open them up and show you the products, and I'll be doing future videos with each individual item where I'll be swatching it and trying them on and giving you my thoughts on them and reviewing them. So yeah. So the first thing we've got is HD Pro Brows, and it comes like this. So it looks like you've got your powders, your waxes, some concealers, highlighters. What does it say? So you've got eyebrow powder, yeah, eyebrow tints, brow enhancing wax, highlighter powder, brow sealing wax, strobe balm. Yeah, so there we go, quite a few things. Can I get into that easily enough? Let's have a look. So there we go. So quite a nice little set. And as I say, I will do these individually with their own separate videos and try them out. Not sure if these might be a bit too dark for me, but this might be okay. We'll find out. So that's the first item. It's I just can't believe what value for money these are. I mean, even the £30, I think it's an amazing price. So that's the first thing. Next thing I've got is the Ultra Strobe Balm palette. Right, I think I got one of these in my Palette Vault. So if it's the same one, then I will probably pop this into a giveaway. I think I need to start saving up for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I've got my 700 subscriber giving away. I've got my 700 subscriber giveaway running at the moment, and I'm nearly there. So do check that out and make sure you're following me, and if you want to be in for a chance to win. So that's that. So I think I'll pop this into my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, which I need to get a big box. So next thing we've got is, oh, this looks nice, the Blush Dream palette. I am liking the look of this. So you've got 4 blushes and, was it 4 highlighters? This looks gorgeous. So on the back it's pressed blushers, baked blushers, and baked highlighters. This looks really nice. I know I've not got this in any of my other boxes as far as I'm aware. And this one's sealed down. Is it taped down? Why can't I get in? Oh, there we go. So that's it there. So they look really pretty. Fantastic. Gosh, that's only 3 things. Next thing we've got is the Pro Go brushes 2018. And it's just some little mini brushes. I've unboxed the full size of the nude brushes, the limited edition ones. I'll pop your link up here if you want to go see that unboxing. They look like these, but obviously just bigger, and it was a full set of brushes. So these are quite cute. I dare say they're handy just to keep in your bag, maybe for work or on a night out if you need to top your makeup up, or if you're just going away overnight and you don't want to take all your brushes. I don't know. I'll see what they're like. They're quite small, but just I suppose for doing your quick eye look and popping some blusher on, they're probably sufficient just for a quick job. Next thing is, ooh, the Ultra Nudes 2018, and this is 3 different lips. So there's a lip sheer, lip amplification, and a lip euphoria. I won't take them out, but they look really nice. So I'm looking forward to trying those. And I think they might be different. I've got a lip kit vault to unopen yet, so I think they're different to what's in those. So yeah. Next thing is the Ultra Strobe Cream. This is just in a black box. I think it's nice that all of these are individually boxed, and if you did even want to get it and break it down for presents and things, it probably works out at really good value. So there we are, the Ultra Strobe Cream. Should we have a look? I know I said I wasn't going to. If it's not sealed, then it's, oh, fair game. I'll pop a little bit on there. So it's really golden. I don't think it's picking up. I've only put a tiny bit on. So it's not picking up very well, but I'll do a video on that. I'll use that probably on a full face. In fact, yeah, I'll probably see, once I've opened everything, I'll try and get a full face with the products, and what I'm missing, I'll just buy the extras. Next thing, Focus and Fix Eye Primer. So I imagine that's just what it says. Let's have a look. Oh, there we go. Well, that looks nice. So just the eye primer there. I actually don't have a specific eye primer. I always just use concealer. So that'll be interesting, just on a doe foot applicator. Don't think it smells of anything, but nice packaging. Looks really expensive, I think. So put that back. Next item is the makeup fixing spray. I've literally just got my some MAC Fix Plus. That's the first time I've had that, but this will be handy even for using for my brushes if I need to use it for my shadows and things. So, but I will do it and try it and compare it to my MAC Fix Plus. Again, it's not something I normally use, so I am trying to get into these. So we'll do a little review on that. I wonder if it's possible to do half your face with MAC Fix Plus and half with that, just so you can compare side by side how your makeup lasts. Next is an aqua priming base. Gosh, there's loads. And again, so it's just, here we go. And so And then just a few things left. We've got right. Oh, Ultra Metals eyeshadow palette, and this is what that looks like. Let me get this out of the packaging. This looks really nice. I just can't help but love shimmers. I don't know. Anything sparkly I love. Let's get this open to show you. Why do they still use these little sponges? Anyway, there's some really, really lovely shades. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So there's 18 shades there. So there we go. This looks lovely. So I'll be interested to try that. I don't think I'll ever need to buy another eyeshadow palette again as long as I live. Next thing, oh, this looks nice, is the Ultra Neutrals eyeshadow palette. I'll tell you, these videos are not sponsored by Makeup Revolution. Oh, let's get this out of the box. And again, so another 18 shades and some lovely warm tones in there, and some cooler ones as well, but nice neutral looks, and these are my sorts of shades, so I'm really happy to get that. And then last but not least, and I saw a glimpse of this, and this is what I was chuckling at. Oh, are you ready for this? It is the Ultra Colour Explosion eyeshadow palettes. I think the name says it all. Brace yourself. Whoa. Wow. Now, this is actually going to come in so handy because in 2 weeks' time, I'm at my caravan and there is an owners event and it is an 80s party. So I'm all over it, you just know. So I'll maybe do a film a Get Ready With Me for that one, so keep your eye out. But wow, look at those colours, they're so vibrant. I hope the colour payoff is how it looks, because those colours are amazing. And it's not something you're going to use every day, although you could probably use a few of these every day. But if you need to have some fun colours, this is certainly the palette for that. So there we go, that's another one open. So I'm just trying to get all of these things unboxed so that then I can start to use them, and then I can review back on all the products and things. So I'm going to start being braver and trying to do some makeup looks. I'm a bit nervous about doing makeup looks on the camera because obviously you kind of lay yourself wide open to criticism, but I don't mind sharing some videos. But yeah, if you think they're rubbish, just pass on by. Don't be mean. So yeah, so there we go. So a quick rundown is the 3 eyeshadow palettes. We've got the fixing spray with the aqua base and the strobe cream. We've got the eyeshadow primer, which I think is great because we've got our palettes. I think it's really good that they include that in. In fact, you can do your full face with this. We've got blusher, strobe and brows, and then we've got lips and brushes. So all we need really, I think, to complete that look is some foundation. So I might need to try and get some of the New Revolution foundation, and then I'm going to do, and some mascara, and then we can do a full face. So that's another one unboxed. I'm really pleased with this. So I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, do give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and like, and leave me a comment. Don't forget about my giveaway, and I will see you all again very, very soon. Night, guys.